back to another video. I thought in this video I would do my cozy evening routine, spending the night by myself, so I thought I'd take you guys along with me. I'm currently cooking dinner. I am so hungry. We're having oven curly fries, no-name frozen pierogies, and no-name peas. So it's a frozen dinner night, and sometimes that's all a girl needs. I have my bevy, and let's get this night started. Whiskey on an empty stomach on this Thursday night. Things are about to get spicy and cozy at the same time. Okay, just finished dinner. It was delicious. I'm halfway through Pride and Prejudice right now. I'm gonna pause it and then come back to it a little later. Kitchen is all cleaned up, and I think I'm gonna hop on my mat and do a little evening practice. I'm fortunate enough to be able to practice 2 times a day, so I'm gonna take advantage of that while it's here. So let's get to it, hop on the mat. Okay, yoga is done. I had some phone time for a little while, just kind of scrolling or whatever, but I think I'm gonna hop in the bath now. We'll kind of have an everything bath. I haven't had a bath in a while, so I'm just hoping it'll be really relaxing and that it'll kind of help my muscles. I slept weird on my back and I have back problems, so my muscles do hurt quite often, and they were really in pain today, so I'm just hoping that I'll have put some Epsom salts in there and we'll just kind of unwind the tension, so yeah. I literally have to crouch. Anyway, I'm gonna put on a face mask, but I'm gonna tie my hair up first. Bath is ready to go. I'm literally wall sitting right now. I have this like, oh, old, that's not old, it's just like reused Sephora face mask. Blueberry, whatever. I don't know what blueberries do for your face, but it's part of the vibe. Had some snacks, had some chips, another ice cream bar, watched some Sex in the City, and I'm getting pretty tired now, so I think I'm going to just journal and wind down and go to bed. It's time for me to click off and go to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my little nighttime routine. Thank you so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video.